Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cal Architect channel. If you are new here, my name is Hussein Cal. I am a 3D visualization artist. In this channel, I share with you the tools and techniques to create an architectural visualization. Today, we're exploring how to create this exterior image in V-Ray 3ds Max. Let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that you can have this scene. You can learn from how the materials are made, camera settings, lighting, and reuse the scene in your next projects. I will put the link to this scene in the description. Well, let me import the AutoCAD file. You can download it from the description. Check the Rescale option and choose the same unit in the AutoCAD file. And set the curve steps value to 100. As you can see, these are the layers we use to create this scene. Okay guys. In this tutorial I will not explain the basics of the program such as how to create a box, or add a modifier or move or rotate. This tutorial will focus on how to create a realistic image. Select this layer, and attach each spline separately and add an extrude modifier. For me, I use shortcuts. Anyway, you can add it from the modifiers list normally. Add Edit Poly modifier. Select this border and click Shift and drag. Okay. I'm now going to extrude the spline based on the elevation plan. Add Edit Poly modifier and click Alt+1 to make Swift loop. Double-click on the edge to make a loop. Well, we can do it another way. Add a Edit Poly modifier and select this edges and connect. Select this polygon and click Shift and drag. Okay, let's fix the black face in the viewport. It looks better. Add a Edit Poly modifier and select this edges and connect. Double-click on the edge to make a loop. Select this polygon and click on the bridge button. Okay, now let's create the stair area. Select the elevation layer and delete it. Now let's create the part for the sun breakers above the main entrance. Okay guys, this is my own design for an HV house. Write me in the comments if you like the design. As you can see, I don't want any parts in the corner. This distance has been calculated to get complete parts. In the same way, let's create this wall. Here, I want to increase the dimensions of the holes a little bit, to allow more light to pass through. Let's fix the back of the wall. Add a symmetry modifier, but let's move the pivot to a center of object. Okay, it looks better. Now let's create this wall here. Just go to the element level in the edit poly and delete the extra ones. Okay, let me tell you something very important. The edges look very sharp, which is not realistic at all, so I'm going to make the edges softer. Let's add a chamfer modifier to all the edges of the scene. There are parts that I will not add a chamfer modifier, because I will apply a displacement modifier to them. I will talk in detail about that in the material part. Okay, it looks better. As you can see, this is the final result of modeling. In the next video, we will talk about the lighting, so I want to hear your opinions about this workshop, and your suggestions for improving the content. If you have any questions, write it to me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And that's it. See you in the next video.